Welcome to the Four Horsemen January build 2023. Go Bears Diecast Workshop, and what we have on the bench today is a 1940 Ford pickup, and the theme is details. Now I went ahead and got it all stripped down and drilled out the posts. I know you guys have seen this plenty of times. So right now I'm in the paint booth and I am working on getting some primer on it so that we have something to bond the paint to and to protect the casting. As you can see, I not only primed the casting itself, but I also have the interior, which also includes the bed that I'm going to prime, and it's sitting over there to the right, and I'm using the Tamiya fine surface spray, light gray. It works well out of the can, but you just want to make sure that you've got everything covered. Nice thin coats so that when you put the top coat on, it has something to adhere to. So now I've switched over to my airbrush. It's just a little Iwata Neo. It is dual action, and I'm putting on a coat of ivory by Splash Paints. I love the Splash Paints. They are already pre-mixed, so there's hardly any waste to it. I mean, if you fill your cup up and you don't use it all, just pour it back into the bottle itself. But I'm going to take care of the cab of the truck with this ivory white. And you guys know I love two-tone paint. So of course the rest of the body is going to be in another color. Again, just making sure that I got good coverage. Making some camera adjustments. And I'm going to go ahead and spray the interior with that ivory white. You can see that I'm making some little short strokes there, making sure that I have everything covered. Now folks, I've gone ahead and changed out the color. I'm coming back with this orange. It's like a mango orange from Splash. Really love the color. I tend to go a little bit heavy, but a faster stroke. Everybody gets this technique down the way that they feel most comfortable with their airbrush. And I'm going to fade it in. But it's going on really nice. Once I'm satisfied with the coverage of the orange, of course I'm going to come back with a two-stage clear. It's an automotive clear. And I just bought a quart. I've had it for, a couple of years. It's still spraying well out of the gun. Key is making sure that you actually keep it nice and sealed tight so the air doesn't get to it. And again, like I said, I'm just making sure I got good coverage. And I'll bake this on with my dehydrator. So now you see it with the clear on, and I'm going to come back and put in the details. Working first with the Molotov chrome pin on the headlights. And these come in different point sizes. This is a very fine point. And you can refill these You know, you can just buy the chrome liquid and refill the pen. There you go. You can take a look at it. I think it's coming out very nice. I'm going to move it back onto the tail lights and put some chrome back there as well. Again, the theme is detail, so we're trying to make sure we get them all in there. Just take your time. Try to steady your hand. Sometimes I put one hand on top of the other one, trying to steady it. And of course, I'm always using the helping hands. I'm going to do a little work on the base, fill in some of the details on the bottom. I could have got out the thicker Molotov pen, but I just stuck with the one I had in my hand at the time. Just remember, take your time with it. You can also use Sharpies and stuff to make some of those details stand out. You can see it's coming along nicely. Now back to the cab of the truck. I'm going to take care of that grill on the front. That's just a gold Sharpie. The Sharpies actually work really well. I mean, if you had a red Sharpie to put in taillights or whatever, that's just the start of it. I'm going to go back over it again. I'm going to do door handles in gold as well. And detail the inside of the interior with the gold Sharpie as well. The steering column is one of them, and the shifter is the other one that I know you're not going to see all of that when you're looking at it, but I know it's detailed, and if you had it up close you could probably see it. There I'm going with the steering column and the shifter with the gold Sharpie. Trying to get a shot on that for you guys. Sorry about it being a little blurry. Trying to adjust the camera. So here's the finished product. As you can see, it's detailed. I came back with the headlights and put white on them. Matches the original gold wheels that I had on it. I think it came out really nice. I hope you check out all of the other Four Horsemen builds and those that have participated in it. Don't forget to send in your glamour shots. And again, if you haven't seen the build schedule, please go out there and look under the Four Horsemen. It'll tell you the castings, and Paula gives you, from Diecast Graveyard, gives you a small synopsis of what is each build. February is going to be a little Volkswagen truck. Valentine's is the theme for it. Remember, it's due on the last day of the month. Mine came out a day late, but I had some personal things happen, got in a wreck. So anyway, I'm all good. And I'm going to leave you with some glamour shots of the casting itself. Again, thank you to all of my subscribers. I know I've been absent for a while, but I'm back in the saddle again and hoping to put out some really nice builds for everybody to look at and maybe pick up some tips. Remember, this is a hobby that everybody can enjoy. So, anyway, have a good one. See you on the next build. Thank you.